How to install Serchzone Sonik. Ultrasonic technology can be used for gas detection. And this application can be complement of point or line detector in oil and gas industry. Ultrasonic gas leak detectors, like the Serchzone Sonik, measure the sound pressure level generated by gas leaking under pressure with a detection range typically 20 meters within a cone of detection of plus and minus 90 degrees. The Serchzone Sonik installation is made easier by first installing the versatile mount and then mounting the detector. Mounting the bracket, wiring, and adjusting 3 axes are basic procedure of installation.